Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hey my dear lovely fans, how are you? Hopefully you are all well. I'm also fine by the grace of Allah. Today I'm going to share in this video a special announcement. You know that I am a student of Begum University, Rangpur. So that here I go, this announcement with you. After a long time later, Begum University Rangpur is going to hold or organize a football tournament. I mean Shohid Abu Said football tournament. I think you know the Shohid Abu Said was a student in Begum Rokeya University Department of English. Shohid Abu Said Bhai, he was only one person. He sacrificed his life in the Quota movement in 2024. I salute Shohid Abu Said Bhai for their everything work because he was a very special person for movement 2024. However, after many days later, Begum Rokeya University finally is going to organize a tournament, Shohid Abu Said football tournament. In this game, there are 22 departments. They are participate in this game. Especially this game is maybe very special for us because we didn't see this game again. First time we can see this game, and I hopefully this game is the very special for us and every students. I enjoy these types of games because I love football, I love cricket very much, as well as others very kind of play or game. Especially I love very much football because there are 11 players, they can play together, and especially I love football tournament. Whatever, I hope you know I am a student of mass communication and journalism department. My department is also another. They are going to participate in this game, and I make already I make a video here. My department is win a final match because my team is very dangerous for others team. So that I am optimistic. My department may be winner this game. Finally, I want to say my team is the best team in the others departments. So finally, I will say you will win the match, inshallah.